Welcome everyone to our Python automation tutorial. In this tutorial, I will delve into understanding the logic behind automating repetitive file organization tasks using Python scripting. Let's start by defining the problem. Manually sorting through files is tedious, error-prone, and time-consuming. So we need a solution that can save us time, improve accuracy, and ensure consistency in our file organization process. So what are our solutions? We could continue manually sorting files, but that's not efficient. Instead, we can leverage the power of Python scripting to automate the process. Python scripting offers a straightforward and effective way to automate file organization tasks, saving us time and effort. Let's talk about why we've chosen Python scripting for file organization. Python provides a simple yet powerful scripting language that allows us to automate tasks with ease. With Python, we can efficiently traverse directories, collect file information, and sort files based on predefined criteria. Now let's dive into the implementation. I will walk you through the Python code step by step to automate file organization task. Let's open Favorite Code Editor and start coding. In this demo, I will create a Python script for file organization. I will traverse directories, collect file information, and sort files based on their extensions. This is the Python script that's going to organize the file structures based on file extensions. So this Python script organizes files in a specified directory by moving the files into subdirectories based on their file extensions. Here I am gonna explain each line of codes, and I first imported the OS and shuttle modules. The OS module is used for interacting with the operating system, while the shuttle module is used for file operations like moving files. Then I have defined a function organize files. This function takes source directory path as input and then retrieves list of files in the source directory using os.list dir function. It then iterates through each file in the directory. For each file, it checks if the item is a file, not a directory, using os dot path dot is file function. If it is a file, it's going to extract the file extension using os dot path dot split text function and save into file underscore extension variable. It creates a corresponding subdirectory for the file extension if it does not already exist using the os.makeDirs function. Then it moves the file to the corresponding created directory using shuttle.move function. Now let's explain the main block. This block is executed when the script is run directory. It prompted the user to input the directory path that the user wants to organize the files. It also checks the specified path exists and is a directory using os.path.exists function and os.path.isDirectory function. If the file is already exist and it is a directory, it's going to call the function organize files, and it's going to organize the files based on the file type or file extensions, and it prints the message file organization completed. Otherwise, it's print invalid directory path and please provide a valid directory message. So the script informs the user whether the file organization process was completed or if the provide directory path was invalid in the console. So now let's run this script and let's see how the file is organized. Now let me show you how you can copy the paths of the files that you want to organize using the Python automation script. As you can see, this is unorganized files. So I just copy the paths of the these files, and now let's paste the path of the directory to organize the files into this user prompt. And let's enter. Yeah, the file organization is completed based on this script, because that file path is correct and it is a directory. And now let me show you that the file is correctly organized or not. All right, as you can see here, the files are reorganized based on the types of the file extension and created new subdirectories in this directory. So all the files are reorganized. For example, MP4 are uh, organized in this directory, MEKV, new videos, PDF, PNG. So this is the way how you can automate to organize the files in your computer using Python automation script. And there we have it. Our automation script is up and running, saving us valuable time and effort. Take a look at this screenshot. As you can see, the files are scattered and disorganized, making it challenging to find what we need quickly. Now, compare it to this screenshot. With our automation script, the files are neatly organized by their types, making it much easier to navigate and locate specific files. With automation, we have achieved efficiency, accuracy, and consistency in our file organization process, transforming chaos into order with just a few lines of code. I hope you've enjoyed in this video tutorial. Thank you for joining us in this Python automation tutorial. Remember, automation is a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and save you time and effort. Keep exploring and experimenting with Python automation to unlock endless possibilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching today.